Assalamu alaikum everyone. Okay, so it's not a secret for Luna Classic that you do have Luna Classic that is basically just dropping down. Okay, so you do have it coming all the way down here, and I've told you about this very big massive falling wedge. So it's not a secret, right? Because that was a really expected. Few days ago you did actually pump back up here, and that's when I made the video that you have to be careful. The pump was expected. I did expect the pump. I even told you in one of the videos that this is an amazing buying opportunity because you do have a regular bullish divergence which played out really nicely and you went to the upside. But then when you went up here, told you to zoom out just a little bit because the pump that happened was going back to the resistance number 1, 2, 3, and that was your fourth resistance right over there. But the good thing when you zoom out again is that you have a very big massive falling wedge. So let's say you're coming down here all the way to this lowest part of the trend line once again, and you come down and you spend a little sometimes right over there, make a fake out, and then boom, you start to move to the upside once again and absolutely take off. I personally think this would be really amazing. Now keep in mind that trade during the breakout or trade during when the coin is trying to hold the support, because I personally can tell you that Bitcoin has its gates open up for maybe 20,000 all the way down to $18,000. So if Bitcoin is going to be dropping all the way down to these areas, you probably might want to be careful for Luna Classic as well, because you never know, you just go below the falling wedge and you just drop below the falling wedge as well. So it's a very tidy challenge. It's a very tight challenge as well, and you must be very careful at this point of time. Okay, just because you have a falling wedge doesn't mean you have to be buying the falling wedge. But I will actually recommend, if the breakout happens, the retest happens, then that would be amazing with the stop loss, working with the stop loss as well, and then things start to move to the upside. That's the ideal situation. That's the best case scenario as far as I'm concerned. And at the moment, let's see, because I don't think we're done. You're sitting at 8,705. People had their stop losses set down here. The stop loss is taken away. And I do think you might just come down here, spend some time, and then go up, come down, go up until you don't really break out. And then we're going to see. Then we're going to be talking about some good stuff if you do break out of the falling wedge. And we're going to see those people who are working behind the scenes for Luna Classic, if they are really doing a great job, a good job of maintaining the the project and developing the project, coming up with new ideas, trying to save the day for the coin. Everything is going to be visible. Everything is going to be very clear to us in front of our eyes. And if it's good, you're going to break out of the falling wedge. If it's just bullshit and nonsense, then I do think you might even pop below the falling wedge and try to create new lows and just absolutely be dead, of course. Now let's see. Let's hope this is a bear market investing opportunity and nothing more. And that's it for this update. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.